was a very nice symposium, very good connections with friends, with scientists, with medical doctors, with pharmacists interested in cardiovascular pharmacotherapy. So we have a lot of time for discussion, for roundtable discussion, for asking questions, for interacting with some opinions, some lecturers. Reason why I really enjoyed attending this symposium, it's people that I meet here. A lot of nice people, very good researchers, very strong expert opinion leaders, but also a lot of young people. So it means that the International Society of Cardiovascular Pharmacotherapy is doing a good job and has a promise for the future.
Well, first of all, I consider this a huge privilege to be able to come here as a medical student, and this Congress especially, which allows you to share your point of view with other people from other places of the world that have other views, which is great. And as a student, it's amazing to see that this is like a huge thing.
Es muy buena oportunidad para nosotros como estudiantes de medicina en formación para ya aprender cómo se hacen los estudios y para nuestra futura formación.
I think this Congress was amazing. It was a huge opportunity we had to organize it here in Oviedo. The main point is the transversal. The topics are very transversal, not only for cardiologists but also for endocrinologists, the GPs. This is very important because sometimes we organize very focused meetings for cardiologists, not only for certain topics. But this is very broad. You have the example of the students. I mean, for students, you can review all the medications in just 2 days. So they are very happy, and also I'm very happy for the result. Yeah.